Welcome back, my student, to period number 2, part number 2. First, we are going to discuss together the exercise that we have taken in the previous lesson. أعطيتكم سؤال في المرة السابقة. اليوم حنحل مع بعض السؤال. Then we are going to complete the lesson. Now here our exercise which we have taken last time. سؤالنا اللي أخذناه. Let's answer the questions. We have complete using suitable words, adapt, details, tips, method, labeled. Number 1. Students are, yes, labeled according to their marks into slow and clever groups. Number 2. Visual learner should focus on general idea before details. Excellent. Number 3. Learners should adapt their study to their learning style. Yes, excellent. Number 4. Our text gives useful tips to follow in order to improve our learning style. Yes. Number 5. Each teacher has his method in dealing with his students. These are the answers. Now let's go to our text. Last time we have discussed our test together. Today we are going to read the text in order to answer some questions. Here we have some questions. Yes. Let us read them. Complete from the text. Schools tend to use particular method. المدارس تقصد استخدام بعض الأساليب as بدنا نذكر شو هي الأساليب. 2. Space of your learning style can help to take control of your learning. شو اللي بخليكي تصيري تتحكمي في نظام التعلم تبعك وتصيري أشطر. Number 3. Visual learners shouldn't use things around them because visual learner ما لازم يستخدموا حواليهم أي حاجة زي موبايل TV. ليش؟ Number 4. Oral learner should record lessons too. ليش الأورال لازم يسجلوا دروسهم؟ Number 5. Working space help physical learner to understand well. Working while what؟ لازم نكمل هدول من التبس. Let us read our text now. Here we have 2 paragraphs. And here we have the main questions. We are going to find also its answer. The question is, how can students take control of their learning? How can students take control of their learning? First, let us read it together. Then we are going to find the answer of this question and other questions. حنلاقي إجابة السؤال هذا والأسئلة الموجودة عندنا في الإكسرسايز. Now we have here the full page number 6. Let's start. Traditionally, تقليديا, schools tend to use particular teaching methods. بيستخدموا بعض الأساليب الخاصة في التعليم. Either visual, oral, using books, CD, بيستخدموا CD, بيستخدموا كتب, بيستخدموا طرق visual, مرئية, oral, سمعية, and written test, وامتحانات مكتوبة. إذن what are the teaching methods that they use? Yes, this is the answer. Pupils who learn well with these styles are often seen as clever. الطلبة اللي بيدرسوا بهذه الطرق اللي بيستخدموها are considered بيعتبروا إنهم clever, while those who use different styles may find themselves in lower classes. بينما اللي بيستخدم أساليب مختلفة وما بيصل للطريقة أو الأسلوب المناسب لنفسه labeled as slow learners. بيصنفوهم إنهم slow, يعني مش عارف يدرس, مش عارف شو الطريقة المناسبة لإله. In reality, في الواقع, they may be neither slow nor especially clever. هما ممكن لا يكونوا لا slow ولا clever. لا slow بطيئين في التعلم ولا أذكياء. But if they are treated differently, إذا تم معاملتهم بطريقة مختلفة, they may begin to believe, ممكن يصيروا يؤمنوا بهذا التصنيف. Believe the label that others put on them. بالتصنيف هذا اللي الآخرين يعني اعتبروهم فيه. But it doesn't have to be that way. مش لازم نفكر زيك لأنه هذا wrong. ما في عنا slow زي ما اتفقنا ولا clever. Becoming aware of your personal learning style can help you to take control of your learning. إذا شو اللي بيخليك تتحكمي بتعلمك؟ Becoming aware of your personal learning style. تكوني واعية ومدركة شو هو الستايل المناسب الشخصي لإلك. By using techniques that work well for you. تستخدمي الأساليب اللي بتناسبك واللي بتمشي معاكي. For example, here are some tips on how to adapt your study to your learning style. وهنا التبس اللي بتخليكي تتكيفي مع أسلوب التعلم وتعرف شو بناسبك وكيف تصيري smarter in your learning وتصيري أشطر. أوكي، كان في هنا سؤال سريع بس. How can a student take control of their learning style؟ الإجابة becoming more aware of your personal learning style. إذن شو اللي بخليكي تتحكمي to become more aware of your learning style؟ تكوني مدركة شو هو learning style المناسب لإلك. Now here we have the main tips. We have visual, we have oral, and we have for physical. Let us read them quickly. We have discussed them before. تعالوا نشوفهم مع بعض. Turn your notes into pictures, charts, or diagram. إذا هنحول النوتس الملاحظات لpictures، صور، charts، مخططات، ورسم بياني ودياجرام. Don't have things around you that might distract your attention. ما تخلي حاجة حواليكي تشتت انتباهك. Look at general ideas first before focusing on details. Yes. Use mind maps. استخدمي الخريطة الذهنية spidergram etc. instead of written notes. This is a diagram here. Okay. Now for oral, record lectures or lessons to listen to it later. خلينا نسجل كل دروسنا عشان نسمعها بعدين. Discuss ideas with students. لو انت تناقشتي مع أصدقائك برضو بيكون مناسب لإلك. Read text book aloud. اقرأي بصوت عالي. Listen to quiet music while studying. اسمعي لموسيقى هادئة. بينما الفيزيكال take frequent breaks when studying alone. ضلك خدي فسحة أو راحة وإنت بتدرسي. Learn new material while doing something active. لازم تعملي أي مادة جديدة وإنت بتعملي نشاط. Work while standing up. ادرسي واشتغلي وانت واقفة زي المدرس ما بيكون بيشرح فانت بتتنشطي. Take subject that includes practical activity and field work. استخدم المواد او ابدأي بالمواد اللي بيكون فيها أنشطة عملية بتلاقي حالك نشيطة وبدك تدرسي. اوكي، تعالي نشوف الكويستشنز تبعتنا and complete them. Number 1, schools tend to use particular method as yes, visual, oral, books, yes, and books. Number 2, of your learning style can help to take control of your learning. What help you to take control? Being or becoming aware of your learning style. كونك واعية ومدركة شو هو learning style تبعك تقدري تتحكمي في التعلم. Number 3, visual learners shouldn't use things around them because it distract their attention. Yes, برافو عليكم. Number 4, oral learners should record lessons. ليش لازم يسجلوها؟ To listen to it later. Excellent. Number 5, working while standing help physical learner to understand well. Yes, excellent. These are the answers. Now the last questions here. Match each word with its style. Now we have some words from the tips and you are going to match with the visual, oral, physical style. تعالوا مع بعض يلا نصنفهم. Diagram. Yes, visual. Excellent. Record. Oral. Charts. Yes, visual. Practical activity. Physical. Yes, read aloud. Oral and walking اللي نسيناها فوق. Walking. Yes, physical. Excellent. These are the answers. Thank you for today and see you in other lessons.